What if I told you there's an electric bike that feels less like a toy and more like a silent rocket built for the dirt? No clutch, no gears, no noise, just twist and rip. That's exactly where the RTR e-bike steps in. And today, I'm breaking down why the ETM RTR and RTR Lite are changing how Americans look at off-road electric riding. Let's start with the feeling. The moment you touch the throttle, torque hits instantly. No revving, no waiting. Whether you're climbing loose hills, powering through trails, or blasting fire roads, these bikes respond immediately. And that's what makes them addictive. This isn't commuter e-bike power. This is real trail performance. The full ETM RTR is the beast of the family. We're talking up to 8,000 watts of peak power and speeds pushing past 55 miles per hour. That puts it into serious dirt bike territory, except it's electric. The 72-volt hot-swappable battery means you don't end the ride when the battery dies. You just swap and keep going. Real-world range can hit around 30 miles of aggressive riding, and even more if you're cruising. Now, if you want something slightly more manageable but still wild, the RTR Lite hits a sweet spot. With 5,000 watts of power and speeds up to 45 miles per hour, this bike is perfect for newer riders, teens, or adults who want fun without feeling overpowered. It's lighter, easier to control, and still fast enough to embarrass gas bikes on tight trails. One of the smartest things Electro & Company did was the battery system. Tool-free, hot-swappable, and expandable. That's huge. No waiting hours to recharge mid-ride. Just swap batteries and keep riding. For trail riders in the US, especially weekend warriors, that alone makes this bike stand out. Durability is another big win. The tubular steel frame feels solid, not flimsy, and it's built to take abuse. The rigid swing arm, removable subframe, and quality welds make it clear these bikes weren't designed as toys. They're meant to be ridden hard. Suspension is legit too, with adjustable 48mm forks up front and a pit bike grade adjustable rear shock that actually works on rough terrain. And then there's comfort and customization. Adjustable peg positions, clean ergonomics, and a handlebar-mounted LCD that shows speed, battery life, and ride mode. Everything feels purpose-built. You're not guessing what the bike is doing. You're in control. Now let's talk price, because this is where things get interesting. For around $3,000, or even less when on sale, you're getting performance that challenges gas bikes without fuel costs, oil changes, or engine noise. The Lite version drops that entry point even lower, making high-performance electric trail riding more accessible than ever in the US. So who is this bike really for? If you're tired of gas maintenance, want instant power, love trail riding, or just want something insanely fun that feels futuristic, the RTR lineup makes a strong case. Quiet, powerful, customizable, and brutally quick. This is what electric off-road riding is supposed to feel like.